When the number hits trillions, we know things are bad. The dramatic drop in Bitcoin prices today, should we be worried? The widespread fear is understandable, but it's illogical that this might be Shiba Inu's best opportunity. Its entire potential may be shown once its price is eventually zeroed out. But wait, something isn't right about that. If that's your sentiment, then I am about to break some shocking news to you. But what am I really talking about here? The significance of this cannot be overstated. To be more specific, allow me to explain. Warning, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 asterisks. A full day awaits, Shiba Inu. Some truly remarkable news has just been shared with the community. Over the last 24 hours, a staggering 1.56 trillion Shiba Inu tokens have changed hands. The community places a high value on this news since it emphasizes the token's market strength and how massive it has grown. Shiba Inus might be gearing up for a major resurgence, what with whales seemingly making an appearance. Major companies are starting to transfer large sums of money to Shiba Inu, and the dog breed is displaying promising outcomes in a variety of on-chain hippidas. This may signal an impending increase in volatility or a general recovery after a poor weekend. The world of cryptocurrencies, however, is not without some unpleasant news. A steep fall occurred in the market today. Disappointingly, Ethereum ETFs witnessed large outflows on the second trading day. Funds traded on the Ethereum exchange have seen outflows of almost $133 million, according to data compiled by Farsight. Initial investment in Ethereum ETFs was substantial, but it seems like people are having trouble keeping up the enthusiasm. Although there were some influxes, they couldn't make up for the massive losses. A staggering $326 million was lost by Grayscale. There has been some good movement in the market, but these huge outflows have outpaced any gains and caused the overall slump. During this massive sell-off, the price of Ethereum dropped by 7.3%. The sudden and dramatic drop in Ethereum's price has certainly rattled the market. Also, Bitcoin's dominance is at its greatest level in over a month at 56%, despite the fact that concerns have grown due to the buzz around Ethereum EGIFs. 10S Research has noted that the selling of Ethereum EGIFs indicates even more significant issues. Their findings suggest that Ethereum's price fell after the highly anticipated launch of spot Ethereum EGIFs quickly turned into a sell-off. You can observe how people have reacted to new cryptocurrency ETFs like Bitcoin ETFs in the past. According to 10x Research's Marcus Thielen, many traders were under the impression that Ethereum ETFs would absorb a significant amount of Bitcoin ETH inflows. However, the reality has been quite different. This is something intriguing, by the way. With the introduction of spot Ethereum ETFs and Mate, Gox's first Bitcoin dividends, selling pressure in the market intensified. Mistrust grew as a result of the 10x report's claims that the company lost $481 million on day one and $326 million the following. Speculating that Ethereum might have been overbought before the much-anticipated ETF debate, the Ethereum vs. Bitcoin ETF study provides a gloomy picture of Ethereum. Despite widespread belief in Bitcoin as the digital equivalent of Wall Street, 10x study shows that many investors and market analysts are confused about what sets Ethereum apart. Finally, Make Gox has an innovative proposal that could shake up the market. The business just moved $2.5 billion worth of Bitcoin to new wallets. There was an early morning transfer that sent over 500 Bitcoin to Meet Gox's cold wallet and the rest to a wallet that is still unknown. After a massive transfer on July 22nd, when MediGox sent $2.8 billion in Bitcoin to several wallets, including $340 million to Bitstamp accounts. This move is expected. Various analysts have different views on this disturbing behavior. Despite concerns about a potential large sell-off, some analysts argue that the market has already factored in these acts, since funds, rather than individual investors, are accountable for a substantial portion of the Bitcoin being repaid. The head of research at Galaxy Digital observes that the likelihood of a market dump is reduced. Another possible strategy to mitigate the market's immediate impact is for individual debtors to hold on to their Bitcoin rather than sell it immediately. Some commentators believe the market has already factored these changes in, thus, the potential impact on Bitcoin's price could not be as severe as feared. Recent market data does, in fact, reveal this wary attitude. There has been a dramatic uptick in Bitcoin withdrawals from Kraken, suggesting that many people who receive Bitcoin from MTGOX are choosing to hold on to their money instead of selling it all at once. In only the past 24 hours, over 5,000 Bitcoin worth around $329 million have been removed, implying that the reaction from the market could be more measured than anticipated. Kraken and Bitstamp are together managing this reimbursement process, with the CEO of Kraken checking that the funds have been distributed correctly. Current trends suggest that prices will remain unchanged, despite initial worries that this surge would lead to a drop. According to market research, the price of Bitcoin is ticking up, but only little, and is now sitting just around $66,500. Such drops have often preceded substantial growth. As an example, January saw significant outflows from Bitcoin ETFs, but the cryptocurrency market saw a massive increase once the outflows faded. Even Bitcoin and Shiba Inu saw steep price increases. The former saw a 300% increase in just 1 week. If past events are any indicator, another major breakthrough may be on the horizon. Prepare to be astounded by the latest development. Benefits to Shiba Inus can be substantial. With the official debut of the Ethereum ETF and impressive early results, such as $1 billion in trading activity on the first day and over $100 million in net inflows, confidence in Ethereum's future is skyrocketing. As optimism grows, Citi projects that Ethereum's price might hit $5,000 and attract $5.4 billion in investment over the next 6 months. However, what does this mean for Shiba Inus? If the market value of Ethereum were to reach $5 trillion, Shiba Inu would receive a tremendous boost. During this festive time, Shiba Inus have a good probability of experiencing a decline in zeros and an increase in value. And you're experiencing a decrease in value. I have a decrease in value. There may be a strong correlation between the value of Shiba Inu and Ethereum, which is an intriguing observation. Shiba Inus might benefit from any significant Ethereum rallies. According to the Inthotha block, the Shiba Inu and Ethereum have been 88% linked during the past 60 days. As a result, Shiba Inu's value tends to rise in line with Ethereum's. Recently, Shiba Inu and Ethereum have been moving in lockstep, as shown on a CoinMarketCap chart. On the other hand, Shiba Inu's price fluctuations are more obvious due to the breed's greater impulsiveness. Along with Ethereum's progress, Shiba Inu might see some intriguing price hikes. Citing this important relationship, the Crypto Basics studied the potential outcomes for Shiba Inu in the event that it follows Ethereum's rise. For Ethereum's market cap to reach $5 trillion, a substantial price hike would be necessary, maybe reaching an all-time high while removing a decimal point from its worth. This is an interesting situation, but remember that it's hard to predict the exact outcome. Even if Ethereum achieves this ambitious target, the price of Shiba Inu might not exactly follow Ethereum's trend due to its unique market dynamics and volatility. Yet, in your opinion, is that a good idea? Please share your thoughts by posting a comment below. Click on one of the videos